Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Today we will stir-fry mushroom minced meat. Ingredients are minced meat, shiitake mushrooms, shimeji mushrooms, and chopped ginger. Season minced meat, stir well and marinate for 10 minutes. Chopped ginger. Chopped shimeji mushrooms. Chopped shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add minced meat and stir-fry. Mushrooms and sauté. Add 2 tablespoons water. Seasoning at taste. Add dark soy sauce to add color. Mushroom minced meat is done. This minced meat is good to pair with rice or garnish on tofu. Next, we will make minced meat with tofu. You need a box of soft tofu. Pour out tofu blanch with hot water and set aside. Sliced tofu. Garnish tofu with mushroom minced meat. Drizzle few drops of sesame oil. Mushroom minced meat tofu is done within 2 minutes. Tofu is flavorful with mushroom minced meat. It's appetizing. Yay! Share this delicious recipe with your family. They will love it too. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.